Welcome to Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you how to assemble the Safari Jeep die set. And before I start, don't forget to download the project sheet for supplies and step-by-step instructions. We already have instructions for and videos with the Safari animals, so you can find all kind of different videos with that. And I want to show you this card. So this is a pop-up card. So here's the Safari Jeep, we have the monkey, we have the giraffe here, we have the lion here. So, and a tree, that's from the Safari set. And the stamps are from the Safari set. So much fun to work. I had a lot of fun creating this card, you see. So it has and then you can just close it. Kids will absolutely love it. Well, actually, I love it as well. So today only the Jeep, and all the rest you can find online. We have tutorials for pop-ups as well, so we put the links in the video as well. So these are the parts. So this is the Safari die set. So it comes with the car, the grille, the steering wheel, the headlights, mirrors, tire, and the bumper here. And then this is our pop-up set. So for the pop-up card, I want to show you that quickly as well, because the pop-up set is a general pop-up set. So it has all the different pieces to make different steps for pop-ups. So you can make pop-ups with a lot of different dies you have. Then put that aside. So pieces, so I have some silver cardstock from Tim Holtz, the silver cardstock. And then I have our white soft finish cardstock. I colored those with distress inks. And I'm just going to put it together. And it's a fun die to work with. So let's put the bumper on first. Of course, when possible, when it works well, I put double-sided adhesive on the back. So that's what I did here. So it makes it very easy, of course, when you want to assemble this. And using the metallic paper, you know, gives you a nice metal look for the bumper. And then this part goes on. It kind of goes, so it's a quick video. And check out all the other videos with the Safari dies, because they are very popular and a lot of fun to work with. So again, the silver also, same cardstock. And it's going to go on top here. That's the grille and the headlights. So the silver, and then this is the white soft finish that I colored with the distress ink. Oh wait, needs to be centered well. And then they're going on the car. And of course you can make that car. We had like Anita Isendorn, she made like a pink car with a giraffe. I think you can find all those pictures on our social media, which was really fun. And you can make a police car. So there's all kind of different possibilities. So that's the parts I had with double-sided adhesive. And for the other parts, I'm going to use our Kids' Choice glue. So for the steering wheel, I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger. And just add a little bit of glue here. I'm just going to slide it under. And of course you can put all different Safari animals in your car as well. So that's what I did with different samples. And then for this one, for the wheels, I'm actually going to take a little bit of glue again. And you can do it with a fine line glue, but I know it will hit this part and here. So just add a little bit of glue there. It goes like this. So for the other wheel, I do the same. So again, just here, a little bit here. Just add a little bit of glue. And then put it on here. See how cool this is. And of course, when your kids have like a favorite car color, you can make it in different colors as well. Which is, you know, they will love that. And then you put the favorite animal in there. So with this one, just a little bit of glue here, goes underneath here. And again, the metallic paper works really fun, of course, because now you have real metal mirrors. And the last one goes here. And that's it. That's your safari jeep. So let me show you the card one more time, because you can see we have a zebra as well, but and there's more animals coming actually. But you see, so you can make a flat card, you can make a pop-up card, put a different animal in there, and of course we have the accessories. So just a lot of fun to work with. Fun to do with the kids as well. They will love to craft with you. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to download our free project sheet and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time!